Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Snapchat Plus with Apple Pay. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Apple Pay to purchase Snapchat Plus, then what you're going to do, simply add your Apple Pay as the payment method on your App Store or your Apple ID. To do that, open up your Apple ID, go to your account, and then click on your account and then add this as your Apple Pay as your payment method. So if you click on manage payments, and then on manage payments here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on add payment method, and then here you go to choose Apple Pay. Please note that this option is only available on certain regions. So if your region supports Apple Pay payments, so then you'll be able to see it, because unfortunately my region doesn't support Apple Pay, so I don't have those options. But you should, if your region supports Apple Pay, then you should be able to click on it, and then once you have set that as your payment method, then it's pretty easy. So all you have to do is simply open up your Snapchat and then go to your account here. So click on your profile and then scroll to your open up the settings here on your top right. Click on settings, and then you will see the Snapchat Plus option here. So click on it and then hit on subscribe, and then now hit on next, and then choose a plan that best suits you. And then once you have choose that, and then click on start free trial, and then this will pop up. This will ask you to your App Store, for the payment on your App Store. So what you have to do is, as you have already selected as you have already connected your App Store with your Apple Pay, so all you have to do is simply click on subscribe, and that will do the payment from your Apple Pay. So it will be processed through your Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.